Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I did this smoky eye look for the fall. It turned out really well. I'm very happy. So if you want to see how I got this, just keep on watching. Okay, so I just primed my eyelid with the BH Cosmetics concealer in 121. And now I'm going to take this LA Color Smoky eyeshadow pen right here. And I'm going to take this shade right here. It's like plum shade right here. You can use any shade that look like this, but this one shade I got, so I'm gonna use that. I'm taking this ColourPop E1 brush. I'm just really gonna pick my brush in there, get some eyeshadow, and then I start tapping it at the outer corner first, at the outer part of the crease, and start blending it into the inner part of the crease. And you want to drag it out, like cut it out. Your BH Cosmetics is my Rainbow palette. I'm gonna take the shade Connie. This is dark purple. You use any dark purple. I'm gonna use this one. You just wanna, I turn my brush over so the colors don't really mix. I just tap in there and just do the same thing we just did with that one. Any kind of brush, and I'm gonna go into the shade Black Beauty, just a black shade right here on the same palette. Just tap in there, just a lot. You want to tap some off and tap it at the outer part, so right here, and then okay, now after that, you want to take any kind of brush, and I'm going to go into the shade Black Beauty, just a black shade right here from the same palette. Just tap in there, just a lot. You want to tap some off and tap it at the outer part, so right here, and then start blending it into the crease and with the purple. Look a mess right now, but trust it. I'm gonna take the ColourPop E9 brush, just like this. I'm just gonna take a little bit out of the first shade we used and just blend out the edges. Alright, so now you wanna take a flat brush and this shade right here called Friday. It's all your purple. You wanna place that all over the lid. And take the color Pop E1 and blend the colors together. So now we're gonna do eyeliner and we use the Stila. Okay, so just like I was just saying, I took the Stila liquid eyeliner pen and I just lined my last line. And now I'm gonna take this I'm gonna take this e.l.f. crease brush and the black shade from the same palette we just used. It's my Rary palette. And I'm gonna use that to like create a smoky liner. I tap off most of the black. And I just start going in circular motions while at the edge where I put my eyeliner. Oh, I just go in circular motions at the edge. And then I just took this angle brush in the same black shade, of course tapping it off, and I just really like smoked it so that it's not so harsh. So after that, you want to go back in with the ColourPop E1 brush or whatever brush you were using to blend everything out and just blend everything out. And so now we're just going to go back to the eyelid. We're going to take the same shade from earlier Friday and place that over top of the eyeliner, but not to make it pink, just like to like make it smokier, but without actually using black. And then, you know, go back over top of that with the ColourPop E1 brush. Okay, so now I'm about to put this CoverGirl Lookalike Blast eyeliner in my waterline. I'm gonna go into my Rary palette and take a pencil brush, so this brush right here, and I'm gonna take this dark purple shade and just smoke it. So put it closer to the lash line, black. And connect it. And for mascara, I'm going to be using the Essence Glass Princess Mascara and the purple one. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe down below for more just like this. And my latest video will be linked down below. And my social media, so please check that out. Thank you very much. Bye.